Hello students, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid channel. I am Veena teacher teaching you 4th standard math subject. What we have solved in our last session students, do you remember? Yes, I had given you home assignment also. Yes, tell me. Yes, we have started our exercise 1.11 question number A, add. We have solved some examples. I have solved from A question. Remaining I asked you to solve by your own in your rap book. Now we will start B question. See what is the difference in B question? See, common is what? Add. Now fractions we have to add. Now here they had given mixed fraction. What they had given? Mixed fraction. Now what we have to do? First we need to convert those mixed fractions into improper fractions. Then we have to add them. Okay? Shall we start? Yes. Now see, there are two mixed fractions they had given. First, we have to convert mixed fractions into improper fraction. Now do you remember how to do? 3 4s are 12, 12 plus 1, 13, 13 divided by 4. Addition is there, so I will give addition symbol. 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 2, 8 divided by, 8 divided by 3, isn't it? Now what we have to do? Now see, denominators are not same, so we have to find out LCM. See, today I am going to teach you the shortcut method of LCM. We were doing so many steps, so how you can reduce the steps, today I am going to teach you. Just observe properly how we can find out directly LCM by seeing with this two improper fraction. See, now you have to see both the denominators and you have to multiply this both the denominators. Okay, 4 3s are 12. And the next is what you have to do? Cross multiplication. Okay, what you have to do? Cross multiplication. That is 13 multiplied by 3 addition 8 multiplied by 4. Now the next step, 12 as it is, 13 3s are, yes, tell me, 39, isn't it? Plus 8 4s are, yes, 32, correct? Yes. Now next, do the addition. 39 plus 32, 9 plus 2, 11, carry 1, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1, 7. Now always remember, whenever they give mixed fractions question, you have to convert answer also into mixed fraction only. Now we need to convert this number into mixed fractions. Now I will do the rough work. This side I will do. 9 12 table 71 is there? No, what is less than that? Yes, tell me. 60. 12 5s are 60 because 12 6s are 72. Here 71 is there. So 1 minus 0 is 1. 7 minus 1 is 11. Now how to write answer? Tell me. First what we write? Quotient. Then remainder and denominator as it is. Clear? See, 1 2 3 4 5, within 5 steps we have completed. Okay, now today we are going to use this method only to solve next question. Now I will solve for you third one. See the third one question. 4 1 by 8 comma 2 1 by 2. Whole number they had given and fractions. Now see, first mixed fractions convert into improper fraction. 4 8s are, Yes, 32. Correct. And sorry, I have written second question here instead of third question. Once again I will write here 5 1 upon 5 comma 6 1 upon 6. Yes. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 1, 26 divided by 5. 6 6s are 36. 36 plus 1, 37 divided by 6. Now LCM we need to find out. So multiply both the denominators. 5 6s are 30. Then next step is cross multiplication. Okay. Now see 26 multiplied by 6. Why I am giving bracket? You should not confuse addition and multiplication. Now 37 multiplied by 5. Now we will multiply 26 multiplied by 6. 6 6s are 36. Carry 3. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 3. Yes, 15. So 156 plus. Now this multiplication will do 37 multiplied by 5. 5 7s are 35. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3, 18. So write here 185 divided by 30. Now we need to add both the numbers. I will do here only. 5 plus 6 is 11. Carry 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. Carry 1. 1 1 1 3. 341 divided by 30. Now this is the answer, but your answer is not completed because this is improper fractions. We need to convert into mixed fractions. For that you have to divide. 30 341. Now 2 digit, go with 2 digit. 34 is there, so 31s are 30 because 32s are 60. That is greater number. So 31s are 30, 4 will remain, 0. Bring down now 1. Now 32s are 60. Here 41 is there, so we have to go with 1 only. 31s are 30. 1 minus 0 is 1. 4 minus 3 is 1. So what is the quotient here? See, what is the quotient? 11, and the remainder 11 divided by denominator is 30. This is the final answer. Clear? Yes, very good. Now we will solve 7th one. I'll rub this rough work. Now 7th one. 2 3 upon 4 comma 1 5 upon 16. Yeah, so mixed fractions are there. We need to convert into improper fraction. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 3. Yes, tell me. 11. 11 upon 4 plus 16 ones are 16. 16 plus 5. Yes, count everyone. 21 upon 16. Now denominators multiplication. 16 fours are, tell me, you should know the 16 table. Yes, come on. 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, 16 threes are, and 16 fours are 64. Very good. So write here 64. Now cross multiplication. 11 multiplied by 16. This cross multiplication. 21 multiplied by 4. Now do the rough work for the multiplication. 11 6s are 66. 11 ones are 11. 11 plus 6. Yes, 17. Correct? Now the next 21 multiplied by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. So 176 plus 84 divided by 64. Okay, now do the addition. 6 plus 4 is 10, 8 plus 8, 16, 260. 260 divided by 64. See students, here both the numbers are even numbers. So what we can do is we can divide both the numbers with 2 table. Isn't it? Now see, 2 ones are 2. 2 threes are 6, 0 as it is. 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4. Okay? See again 0 and 2. Still we can go for the division. 2 6 are 12, 1 will remain, 2 5s are 10. Here also 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. Now what is remaining here? 65 division by 60. Okay? Now this is improper fraction. Again question has given into mixed fraction. So answer also we have to find out in the mixed fraction. So we will divide this number. 65 division by 16. Then 16 table 65 is there? No. Then what is there? 16 4s are 64. See what will remain? 1. Now what is the answer? The quotient is 1. Sorry. The quotient is 4 and the remainder is 1 and the denominator 16. This is the final answer. Clear? How to solve? Understood? Very easy. Okay? For this question you should know proper multiplication, table and division, which you are studying from grade 2nd. Okay? Now I will solve one more last question for you. Now we will solve last 10th one. Okay? 8 3 by 11, 5 2 by 11. Now same mixed fractions are there. First we need to convert into improper fraction. Come on. 11 8s are 88. 88 plus 3. Yes? Am I doing correct? See, just observe the question properly, student. We need to convert into improper fraction for this question? No, not at all. Why? Because denominators are same. Just observe. See, you have to observe the question properly. See, if you don't observe, you will go with the same step, multiplication, then addition, then LCM. No need for this question. Okay. So here what I'll do first whole number we have to add. What are the whole numbers? 8 plus 5 is what? 5 is there or 2 is there? Sorry. Here 2 is there in question and here 5 is there. So 8 plus 2 is 10. So we have added whole numbers. Now what is remaining? 3 divided by 11 plus 5 divided by 11. Now denominators are same, so write only once. 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 is 8 by 11. So the answer is 10, 8 by 11. Understood? Clear? Yes? Very good. Now we will solve C question. Okay? Now C also add is there. In that first one I will take 1 2 by 7 comma 2 1 by 7 comma 1 3 by 7. Now they had given 3 mixed fractions, okay, but whether we need to convert into improper fractions? No. Why? Because denominators are same. When the denominators are same, no need to convert, okay. So first what we have to do, we have to add whole numbers together. 1 plus 2 plus 1. So 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4. Now the remaining numbers, 2 divided by 7, 1 divided by 7, 3 divided by 7. Now write commonly 7, then add numerators 2 plus 1 plus 3. Now tell me what is 2 plus 1 plus 3? 2 plus 1? 3. 3 plus 3? 6. 6 divided by 7. So write whole number first. 4, 6 by 7. Clear? See, very easy. Okay? Now next example I'll solve. Third one I will take now. 5 2 upon 7, 3 1 upon 7, 6 3 upon 7. See the question, again denominators are same students, no need to convert into improper fractions, so we have to add all whole numbers. 5 plus 3 plus 6, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 6 14. So write here 14. Then add all. You can do directly, write denominator only once and add numerators. 2 plus 1 plus 3. What is 2 plus 1 plus 3? 3. 6. 6 by 7. So the answer is 14. 6 by 7. Clear? Yes. One more last example I'll solve from C question. When the denominators are not same, then what you have to do? Okay? Fifth one I will solve. What is the question? 1 3 by 8, 3 5 by 12, 2 7 by 16. Now see here, denominators are not same, isn't it? When denominators are same, we used to solve immediately by adding whole numbers together and the fractions together, but here the denominators are not same. So first we need to convert these mixed fractions into, no, not at all, no need. So when 3 numbers are there, what you have to do? Add whole numbers together and the denominators LCM we are going to find out. Okay? Now we will add 1 plus 3 plus 2. What is 1 plus 3 plus 2? 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6. Now here what are the denominators? 8, 12 and 16. Now we need to find out LCM of 3 numbers. All numbers are even number. I'll start with 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 8s are 16. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2, 3 as it is, 2 2s are 4. Again I'll go with 2 only, 1 as it is, 3 as it is, 2 1s are 2. Now 3 is remaining, I'll go with 3 now. 1 as it is, 3 1s are 3, 1 as it is. Okay? Now these are the multiples of 8, 12 and 16. We have to multiply together. See the next step. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 4 times 2 multiplied by 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are, yes, 40, 48, is it correct? Tell me. Yes students, 48, isn't it? So 48 is what? LCM of 8, 12 and 16. Okay. Now see, once we get LCM, so we need to 3 by 8 I have taken, we need to multiply. The denominator should come 48. Now tell me 8 what's are 48? Yes, 8 6s are. So we have to multiply with 6 in the numerator place also. 6 3s are 18. Now next 5 by 12. Here 48 should come. Now tell me 12 what's are 48? 12 4s are 48. So 4 here also. 5 4s are 20. Now the next 7 upon 16. Now here what should come? 48. So 16 words are 48. Yes, 16 3s are 48. So here also 3, 7 3s are 21. Now we got 3 numbers, denominators are same. So now we can add 3 numbers together with the same denominator. Now I will not write again, I will do directly here. 48 commonly I will write. 18 plus 20 plus 21. So add together. 8 plus 0, 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. Divided by 48. Now whole number is there, isn't it? What is the whole number? 6. Now this is not completed here. See, we have written directly whole number. So we need to first this is mixed fractions. We have to convert into improper fraction. Then we have to divide and we have to find out the answer. So now multiply. What we have to multiply? 6 multiplied by 48 plus 59 divided by 48. Now do the rough work. 48 multiplied by 6. Tell me. Yes, 6 8s are 48. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 4 is 28 plus 59. 8 plus 8, 16 plus 1, 17, carry 1, 1 plus 8 is 9, 9 plus 4, 5 is 14, carry 1, 3. Now what is the answer here? 347 divided by 48. Now here, what we have to do? Now we got this answer, so now we have to divide this number. Okay? Now we will do the division. 347 divided by 48. Now see, greater number 2 digit is there. So see with 2 digit number, but here 34 is there. We cannot divide. Now we have to go with 3 digit. Now see in 48 table 347 is there or no, we have to cross check. Okay. So for that we will try with estimate. See 48 convert into 50 and 347 convert into 350. Now see 0 0 will go, 5 1s are 5, 5 7s are. So the estimate quotient is 7. So I will try with 7. 48 7s are. 7 8s are 56. 7 4s are 28. 28 plus 5. Tell me 33. Now see, it's near about. So if we go for the next, it will be more than this. So 48 sevens are 336. Now do the subtraction. Now 7 minus 1, 6 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1, 0 has it is. So what is the answer here? The quotient is 7 and the remainder is 11 and the denominator is 48. This is the answer. Okay, clear? Clear students? Yes, very good. Now open the page number 19. Now see, common mistake. While solving this question, where you can commit the mistake, that we have to see. 3 students solve the addition of 1 by 4 plus 3 by 5 as shown. Which is the correct answer? Can you point out the mistake in the wrong answers? Now let us see. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 5. So first student, how we solve? See, 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are 5, 3 4s are 12. So 20 in common, 12 plus 5 is 17. Is it correct? Yes, correct. Now the second student, 1 by 4 plus 3 by 5. What you have done? Addition directly, numerators and denominators. 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9. So what you have done? What is the mistake here? Can you point out students? Tell me. Why he cannot do the denominators addition directly? No, he cannot do, but because when the denominators are same, then we have to write as it is. So we cannot add denominators as it is. So here what he have done the mistake is, he have added numerators and denominators. So here that is the mistake. Now here we will see what is the mistake. 1 by 4 plus 3 by 5 same. Now directly LCM of both the numbers, 5 4s are 20, 5 1s are 5, 3 4s are 12. Till here correct. Now denominators are same, so write only once. But here third number student, what he have done? He have added numerator also. 5 plus 12 is 17 and 20 plus 20 is 40. This is 20 plus 20 is 40 is correct. But when the denominators are same, you have to write only once. Okay, that's why this is wrong. And here directly without denominators same, you cannot add the numerators. So that's why this also wrong. And here this one is correct. Understood? So why they had given this example, that this mistake you should not commit while solving. Clear till here? Yes, very good. Now what is your today's home assignment? Some of the examples which are very hard, I have taken those examples. Now remaining are very easy. You are going to solve all the examples in your rub book today itself. Okay? Now we will meet in our next session with the new concept. Till that time, take care, bye bye and thank you.